When it comes to hair cutting tools, barber clippers are a must-have machine for any successful barbershop. Best hair clippers for barbers give you the ability to cut, taper and fade haircuts with ease, precision and efficiency. The top professional barber clippers are made with sharp blades and powerful motors, come equipped with a long-lasting rechargeable battery for convenient corded and cordless use, and offer an ergonomic design for maximum comfort and maneuverability. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Hair Clippers for Barbers. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Hair Clippers for Men. The cordless professional hair clippers comes with 8 guide combs for a successful haircut. Even at home you could achieve a wide variety of hairstyles and lengths. A complete set of clipper attachment guards that glide through the hair for superior comfort and cut quality as well. For men's beard trimming. For men's self-haircut. Low noise, R-shaped safe blade for kids. Self-sharpening precision blade. The blade can be easily removed from the clipper. Number 4. Sudek Hair Clippers for Men. This Sudek hair clipper and beard trimmer kit contains everything you need to have a professional cut right in the comfort of your own home. Cordless hair clipper is equipped with 8 guide combs, a detail hair trimmer is equipped with 3 guide combs, barber cape, cleaning brush, 2 USB charging cables, barber's comb and protective cover. These 2 hair trimmers are engaged with a 10W powerful rotary motor and tightly knit teeth on the blade. It make every single pass remove hair with no snagging, providing an effective haircut for you. Number 3. Oster Classic 76 Hair Clippers for Barbers. Oster has provided high-quality clippers and trimmers for over 120 years. With their experience, they have been able to develop numerous styles of the best clippers, including the Classic 76. This clipper is ideal for any barber. Designed with a powerful, single-speed universal motor for heavy-duty use, making them the ideal professional clippers for barbers. Ultra-durable, top-quality housing with ergonomic design perfect for all-day cutting. Number 2. Amulus Professional Men's Hair Clippers. Powerful motor and sharp blade enable easily and quick cut without getting stuck in hair. Different types of guide comb allow you to trim hair precisely in 3 lengths. 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery delivers over 180 minutes of non-stop run time, charges in just 2 hours. The USB cable can compatible with any USB charger interface that you can walk away from the charger while using maximum mobility and convenience. Number 1. Ufrey Hair Clippers for Men. This hair clipper set containing a professional hair clippers and a detail trimmer. The big one is very fast and cool clipper. Adjustable blade clipper easily cuts all hair types and lengths. T-blade hair trimmer is zero gap trimmer, perfect for precise trimming, beards and sideburns, and excellent for lining and artwork. This barber clippers is equipped with a high-performance motor, make the hair clippers faster and more efficient at work.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.